Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to redeem Fortnite codes. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in login Epic Games. Hit enter and you will see Epic Games account page. Click on the link that says Epic Games and you'll be here. Now, you'll be on this page. As you can see, it says account settings. If you'll be already logged in, you will see this page. If you won't, you will see another page where you'll have to just click on your profile picture at the top and click on accounts option. Now, once you're in here, you'll have to just scroll down and click on the option that says redeem code at the bottom left. Now, this will take you to this page where it says redeem a code. You can enter your code that you have and click on redeem. Now, if you want to know where to find your code, you can check your confirmation email to find your product code or check your box or manual to find out your product code. You can also click on redeem your V-Bucks card here link and it will take you to this page where you can click on get started, enter your code that is pinned for the V-Bucks card, click on next and redeem it by following the prompts given. So the redeem page is here and you can redeem your code pretty easily from this page. That is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.